Hi there everybody. This is a video where I'm making a request to you. It's kind of a strange request because I've developed an app called lekkerkuier.co.za. Well, it resides on lekkerkuier.co.za website. It's not an app that you download. It's just you go to the site and it resides in your browser. So there's nothing to download or your guest to download. But the request is for you to come on board with me to actually expose people to utilizing this app. Now, there's zero cost. I am not marketing this as something that's free that later will get a basic version and then a super version and a this version. It forever will be free. The reason I developed it was I kind of heard people speaking about the fact that when you have an evening out or day out or an event, comes to the end of the event, and then there's this quiet moment when the bill arrives from the waiter, and then people have to collate, who paid what, and then the waiter has to go through, and ultimately it lands up with that one person where things don't balance, and you sitting there and you having to maybe pay extra in, or somebody has to do that. So this is a application that is designed to make that process seamless. Now, the reason I'm appealing to you is because this application is designed for a host. It's not everybody who wants to actually gain access to this, to utilize it for every meal. It's usually the host, the person that's going to be kind of managing the event. And it could be a big official event. It could be something where you are transporting people through to different places and they're stopping along the way to have meals, and you want to coordinate each one's bills as it comes. It's a bill splitting application. As mentioned, it's designed not to be an app that you download. People are tired of having apps downloaded on their devices. It's basically the host will go onto the website lekkerkuier.co.za. It opens in the browser and that's it. And you start off on your way. If you are not going to be entering everybody's bills, which I recommend you don't do, it becomes a bit cumbersome. The app is designed in that you would load the people's names onto it as the host, and you can share a link with them, or they can scan a QR code, whichever way works convenient, and they will enter their own bill, their own things that they're eating. At the end of the event, when they're done eating, they press a button, it comes all to you as the host. You have a list of everybody's orders that they had, the amounts, everything. Even if you want to load, you're going to a venue and you know what the menu is there, you can load that as the host. There's mechanisms in the application that you can load it all. And if you go there often, you can save that menu, and later when you use it again and have another crowd going there, you just merge that same menu in. But the application is designed to be extremely light, no downloads of apps and all that. And that's why everything on this application is designed just to make things streamlined, quick and smooth. I am looking for people who are willing to utilize this app. As I say, it sounds weird that I'm requesting people to use it when it's totally free, but I'd love to share the good news out there. In life, there's things where there's good news, people's lives could be changed, but because people don't know about it, it never gets out there. And I just want you to take the good news of Lekker Kuier and share it with people. And I'm not practically talking only just about, sharing a link somewhere. But if you are somebody who hosts meals, or even if you go out with friends and you're the one who would like at the end of the evening turn to the waiter and okay, have a look at the waiter and tell Jonathan, hey, Jonathan, your bill is this and yours is this and so forth, or what did you buy and that. If you're that kind of person, I want to make your life easier, and also that the event for the evening becomes very pleasant. It doesn't get hogged down with bills at the end. If you plan it well, it saves you a lot of that stress. So I'm looking for people who will utilize the app. I'm also going to be able to share with anyone, if you in the description say that you'd like to know the app more in detail. The reason I'm saying this is because the app is designed with multiple features in, because I don't want somebody to use the app and then find out, do you know what, there's 5 of us going out, but one person is paying for themselves, two of their family members, they're paying for all three of themselves then now. So how do we manage that? That's built in already. So you can have the one person, and you as the host will just attach those two people under that person as the one responsible for paying. So all those features are built in, but not everybody's going to be using it all the time. So although the application has all these features, it's designed to be seamless in there. But you as a host, it's actually great for you to know these features. So as I mentioned, I'll be prepared to set up when I have maybe more than 5 or 10 people that are keen on it. I can do a hour session where we log in and do a video call, and I can go through the fine nuances. And then once you know it, you can share it with other people. Someone might ask, how do I then maintain this? It's been a passion project, but it's hosted on a server that I have, and there is a separate button if you want to donate and just support the project or any future projects. Be our guest, but it will never become a paid for thing. So you're not getting like a free version for 3 people and later on you're going to pay. It's my promise. I'm the developer. I control everything in the space here. So I wanted it to be something that is going to be a tool. And in future, I'm busy. I've written a few other programs where also has that same ethos in it. I want to help people streamline their processes. And everything that I do currently in this ecosystem is supported by the community's donations. If you feel it's added value to you and you have a lovely meal tonight, you can donate, because the next time you have a lovely, great meal with somebody else, you feel the value again, you can donate again if you choose to, or donate no times. It's not based on anything except what you're feeling you're putting back into the community. So I also at this point I'm not making it open source. So I don't want people to go and fiddle with the stuff before we get this thing established. So my appeal to you is, if you're keen on getting on board with hosting these meetings or getting to know how the software works, and once you know, you can share it with other people, because everybody goes to the same link and they just open it up and it runs fully in their browsers. As mentioned also, for your guest, there's no downloading of an app. And everybody can link up before the event happens. Say you're going out for supper tonight. You can set up all the names. You can send them via messaging, whether Telegram or WhatsApp. You can send the link. They open it up and they have it there with them. You could actually send them the menu. You could load the menu on, because we don't have anything built into it. You add it as the host. They get the menu. They can decide, these are the 4 things that I'm going to order. When they get to the restaurant, for example, the 4 things are there, and they can just tell the waiter, okay, I want this. If they change it, they can alter it there. But it helps them to prepare for the event. All of those things, as you as the host can facilitate that with your guests. I've just built it so that it has all the nuances for you. But I need a community to start using it. In life, there's good news. People's lives can be impacted with great news. But if people don't know about it, it's not going to do anything. So I would love you to spread the good news that lekkerkuier.co.za is an application for people to host seamless bill splitting events. And besides going to a restaurant, you could, you could use it for an event, a bigger event where people are costing things, or you are anticipating how many meals are going to be prepared. Say you're having a wedding and you want to know how many meals. You could have people indicating which things on the meals they want, as if they're placing an order. And you then can also pull a report there which will show to the person that's catering, we need 10 of these, 5 of these, and so forth. All those stuff are kind of built in there. So yeah, so that's my point to you. And for this little 10 minutes that you shared with me, I shared this stuff with you. Hope that you get excited about it. Go have a look at it. If you don't know the pronunciation, just check it's Afrikaans. It's from South Africa. It's a Lekker Kuier, LekkerKuier.co.za. lekkerkuier.co.za. Open it up and it runs in your browser. No downloads of anything. Just remember that if you set up something and you want to reuse it later, there are features in there to back up either your menu or the whole event. you can do that and restore it later if you choose to. Have a fantastic day. Be blessed.